Hi everyone, I'm Kai from Tizaw. Today I am talking with you about what Google keeps and why you should use it. Let's get started. Google Keep is a free note-taking app that allows users to add notes, leads, photos, and audio. Google Keep is available on Android, iOS, web, and as a Chrome extension. Open a browser, then search Google Keep. Open Google Keep website. Now I am creating my first note. My first note title I am giving here desktop note. My first note comment section here I am adding as a note. Please subscribe our channel. It's very easy to create a note on Google Keeps. Guys, now I am creating my first note on my Android mobile phone. Let's get started. Open Google Keep app. Keep notes. Then click plus icon. Then click text. Now I am giving my notes title here mobile note. My note here like this video. That's it. Open your Google Keep app on your iPhone or iPad. Then press plus icon here. I'm giving my note title is here iPhone note. As a note I am saving here. Please comment this video. That's it. Thanks for watching. For more tips, check out tizaw.com and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a question? Drop them in the comment section. See you next time.